Tired of dull blades slowing you down? Or frustrated with hand fatigue after a long day of hammering? Well, Toughbuilt's latest tools are about to change the way you work. There's a knife that lets you reload blades with just a flick. No more struggling with switches or losing your flow. And a hammer that absorbs every hit, so you can keep working without worrying about hand strain. But that's just the start. We've got even more amazing tools lined up, each designed to make your job easier. Let's dive in. Cutting carpet doesn't have to be a hassle. With the Toughbuilt carpet knife, you get a tool designed for precision, ease, and durability. The oversized tuck tool allows you to feed the carpet into gaps and tight spaces with minimal effort, making the installation process smooth and seamless. You'll love the fixed blade that ensures consistent, clean cuts every single time. And the angled head design? It's a game changer for your hands. No more knuckle scrapes while you work. Replacing blades is a breeze thanks to the tool-free, quick-release mechanism, so you won't waste time. On top of that, it features onboard blade storage that holds up to 5 blades, so you're always ready to go. Whether you're a professional installer or tackling a DIY carpet project at home, this knife provides the reliability and convenience you need. Its lightweight yet sturdy build makes it comfortable to handle for long hours, while the durable construction ensures it'll last through the toughest jobs. With this tool, you'll complete your carpet installations like a pro, delivering a clean, professional finish every time. For anyone who uses utility knives frequently, the Toughbuilt Reload utility knife is a must-have tool that makes blade changes fast and easy. What sets this knife apart is its innovative quick change mechanism, which allows you to load a new blade with just the flick of a switch. Gone are the days of fumbling around with screwdrivers to swap out dull blades. The spring-loaded blade magazine can hold up to 15 blades, 5 in the auto-loading chamber and 10 in storage, so you'll always have a sharp blade on hand. The ergonomic, non-slip rubber handle is designed for comfort and control, ensuring a secure grip during long hours of use. The added finger guard keeps your hand safe when cutting through tough materials. You'll appreciate the versatility of this knife too, as it's compatible with both straight and hook blades, which are included in the kit. Whether you're working with cardboard, leather, or tough plastics, the Toughbuilt Reload utility knife makes every task more efficient. With its rugged design and easy blade replacement system, it's built for both professionals and DIYers who need reliability, speed, and precision. For those heavy-duty demolition tasks, the Toughbuilt 2-piece demolition screwdriver set is up to the challenge. Designed to withstand tough impacts, these screwdrivers feature a solid core and steel end caps that make them perfect for high-impact work. The chrome-plated steel shanks resist rust and corrosion, ensuring these tools stay in top shape even after years of use. What's really impressive is the duct-piercing tip, which allows you to punch through tough surfaces with ease, making it ideal for demolition work or heavy maintenance. The included Phillips hash 2 and slotted 5/16 drivers are built to last, with extra durability and strength. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, even when you're applying extra torque to stubborn screws. Whether you're working on residential repairs or tackling large demolition projects, these screwdrivers are built to take the beating, providing you with the reliability and power you need to get the job done. For heavy-duty demolition, the Toughbuilt Sledgehammer is the tool you want in your corner. The precision-forged tempered steel head is built for strength, designed to deliver maximum power with every strike. Whether you're tearing down walls or breaking up concrete, the cross-shaped design of the breaking face concentrates the striking force, ensuring you get the most out of each hit. What makes this sledgehammer stand out is its reinforced neck, which adds overstrike protection, enhancing its durability for the toughest jobs. The fiberglass handle provides strength without the added weight, reducing fatigue on your arms and shoulders during extended use. To further enhance comfort, the rubber overmold on the handle absorbs vibrations, giving you a more stable grip and reducing the shock that typically comes with heavy-duty hammering. The 8 pounds weight strikes the perfect balance between power and control, making this sledgehammer ideal for a wide range of demolition tasks. When you're working on leveling or compacting surfaces, the Toughbuilt Tamper makes the job quicker and easier. Its 10x10 heavy-duty cast steel head is perfect for compacting gravel, asphalt, and dirt, offering a large surface area that lets you get more done in less time. The 48-inch composite handle is engineered for strength, but it's also lightweight enough to reduce fatigue, so you can keep going without feeling worn out. The molded upper grip adds extra comfort, allowing you to maintain control with less strain on your hands, shoulders, and elbows. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a DIYer working on a home project, this tamper is designed for maximum efficiency and comfort. Its durable construction and ergonomic design ensure that you can handle tough jobs with ease. For a reliable tool to compact and level surfaces, the Toughbuilt Tamper is a must-have for getting the job done quickly and effectively. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. If you've ever struggled with moving heavy material, you know how important a good shovel is. The Toughbuilt Scoop Shovel makes that task so much easier. The oversized 15x 19-inch aluminum blade is perfect for scooping things like mulch, gravel, soil, or even snow. It's tough, lightweight, and designed to help you move more with less effort. The real standout here is the D-grip composite handle. It's not just any handle. It's built to give you extra leverage and control, reducing hand fatigue and preventing slips. The unique octagonal shape means you get more power with less strain. Whether you're loosening dirt in the garden or clearing snow from the driveway, this shovel has the strength and durability to get the job done without leaving you worn out. Toughbuilt really thought through the design here, and it'll make your outdoor tasks way more manageable. For anyone who's ever had to juggle tools while on the job, the Toughbuilt Builder Pouch is a total game changer. This isn't just any pouch. It has a ClipTech hub that lets you clip it on and off your belt or rig with zero hassle. You can easily grab your tools, and when you're done, just click it back into place. It also has a heavy-duty hammer loop, so your hammer stays secure while you work. The 1680D rugged construction ensures it can handle whatever gets thrown its way. And if you need a quick fastener, the two no-snag hidden seam pockets make it super easy to scoop them up. What I really like is the ability to kickstand the pouch next to you so everything stays organized. It's a smart, durable design that keeps your tools close and ready for whatever comes next. If you've ever struggled to measure long distances, you know how tricky it can be. That's where the Toughbuilt extending box level comes in. It extends from 24 to 40 inches, giving you the flexibility to work on larger projects or tight spaces. The precision-milled aluminum frame means you're getting accuracy you can trust. And when you're done, it packs down neatly and snaps into place. No hassle. The best part? It's got powerful rare earth magnets, so it stays exactly where you want it, even on metal surfaces. The rubberized ends absorb shock, so it holds up when the job site gets rough. Plus, with the rear side viewing window, you'll always have a clear view from different angles. Whether you're laying tile, framing, or hanging shelves, this level keeps things straight and simple. Cutting through tough materials just got easier with the Toughbuilt 12 inches high-tension hacksaw. What stands out here is the oversized tension adjustment knob, letting you easily control the blade tension for a smooth, precise cut. You won't have to wrestle with the blade, just adjust it how you like, and you're good to go. The ergonomic injection molded handle gives you a comfortable, secure grip, which is perfect for long cutting sessions. You'll also appreciate the integrated blade storage, which holds up to 6 extra blades, so you're always prepared. It's tough, with a reinforced metal frame and 2 angle positions, 90 degrees and 45 degrees, to make all kinds of cuts easier. Whether you're cutting PVC, metal, or wood, this saw is built for durability, comfort, and precision. When it comes to moving loose materials, the Toughbuilt Transfer Shovel is the tool you'll want in your hands. The precision-machined squared-tip blade makes it perfect for scooping up dirt, sand, mulch, or gravel with ease. What's unique about this shovel is the 34-inch composite D-grip handle. It gives you extra leverage, so you can lift and transfer more material without straining your back. The handle's octagonal shape means it's built for strength and durability, while the heat-treated carbon steel blade can handle tough jobs. Plus, it has wide, vented footsteps for extra grip when you need it most. Whether you're on a construction site, in the garden, or working outdoors, this shovel makes it easier to transfer materials, so you can get the job done quicker without unnecessary effort. Enjoy your cold drinks and snacks with ease. The Toughbuilt Cooler makes it simple. This cooler features a self-aligning top, so stacking is a breeze. Just slide it into place, and the auto-locking mechanism secures it for easy transport. No need to guess if it's locked thanks to a clear indicator. When you're ready to access your drinks or snacks, the one-handed center latch gives you quick access. The cooler holds 15 liters, which is great for a day's worth of refreshments, and even has a clear dry goods basket to keep small items separate. The built-in bottle opener is a nice touch, ensuring you're always ready for a cold one. It's IP65 rated for dust and water protection, so it can withstand harsh conditions. Whether you're working or camping, this cooler has your back, keeping your items fresh for up to 30 hours. Roll it anywhere with ease. The StackTech 4-wheel cart is built to make your job easier by providing a smooth way to transport your StackTech toolboxes and crates. With 4 heavy-duty 3.9-inch swivel casters, you can easily roll the cart through tight spaces without hassle. The 2 front casters even lock in place to prevent any unintentional rolling while you load or unload your tools. The cart is designed specifically to fit StackTech boxes, so they lock securely into place. Made from tough, high-performance polymer, it can handle heavy use, and the built-in tie-down points let you secure everything for safe transport. It's a great addition to your StackTech system, whether you're at a job site or moving tools around your workshop. If you want a convenient, reliable way to move your tools, this cart's definitely worth considering. If you're tired of digging through your tool bag, the Toughbuilt 8 inches. Tote Plus pouch is exactly what you need. With 31 pockets and loops, you'll always know where your tools are. It's designed for quick access and organization, with internal dividers and external pockets to keep everything in place. The ClipTech system is a game changer. You can quickly attach the pouch to your belt or the tote itself, making it super versatile. Made from durable, high-quality materials, the tote features rivet reinforcement and heavy-duty rubber feet to ensure long-lasting performance. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, this combination of tote and pouch keeps your tools ready for anything. And with a tape measure clip, you'll always have your measuring tool within reach. Experience the difference of a micro-thin blade. The Toughbuilt folding pull saw cuts with accuracy and ease. The double-edged blade has a 17 TPI edge for finer cuts and a 7 to 10 TPI edge for rougher jobs, so you've got options for any project. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to use, and the steel substructure gives the saw extra durability and rigidity. What's great about this saw is its ability to instantly flip between a working position and a closed position, making it super convenient to carry around. Plus, the flexible micro-thin blade ensures precision, so your cuts are clean every time. It even has a lock to keep the handle secure when it's not in use, and a protective cover to keep everything safe when you're storing it. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use handsaw, this one's a solid choice. Built for tough framing and demanding construction tasks, the Toughbuilt shock-stop hammer can handle it all. Thanks to the shock-stop trademark technology, the hammer absorbs recoil and vibration, reducing hand fatigue, so you can keep working longer without discomfort. The precision-forged steel head is built to last, and the enlarged face helps you land every strike without missing. The high-velocity design gives you more power with every swing, while the rubber over-molded handle ensures a secure, stable grip. If you need extra precision, the magnetic nail starter makes it easier to set nails in place. Whether you're framing or doing other tough jobs, this hammer can handle it all, with the added benefit of minimizing strain. Plus, it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty, so you know it's built to last. The Toughbuilt Quickset Workbench is all about convenience and durability. It sets up quickly with a simple push and pull, unfolding to provide a sturdy surface that can hold up to 1,000 pounds. Whether you're cutting, drilling, or organizing, this workbench has you covered. It also includes Smart Surface trademark markings and works with Toughbuilt's ClipTech pouches for easy tool organization. On the downside, the Workbench is a bit heavy, which may not be ideal if you need something more portable. But for those who can manage the weight, it's an incredibly stable and reliable workstation for any job site or workshop. It folds up easily for storage, making it a solid investment for those who need a sturdy surface on the go. When you're working on leveling or layout tasks, the Toughbuilt 100 Crossline laser level makes everything easier. This tool projects bright, highly visible green horizontal and vertical lines for a range of 100 feet, perfect for both small and large jobs. It's self-leveling, so you don't have to worry about getting the lines just right. Unless it's out of level, the indicator will let you know. Plus, it has a pendulum lock for safe transport, and the adjustable wall bracket makes mounting on vertical surfaces a breeze. The level is dust and water resistant, which makes it perfect for rough conditions, but it's a bit limited in range for some larger projects. All in all, it's a solid, simple-to-use laser level that's tough enough for any job site, though the range might not suit all needs. If you're working with concrete, brick, or block, this 48-inch Toughbuilt Mason's level is built to handle it all. Its wide frame increases stability, while the impact-resistant vials are recessed for protection. The ergonomic grip makes it comfortable during extended use, and the dual-edged surface is perfect for leveling and smoothing. It's accurate to 0.029 degrees, making it a top choice for professionals. However, its heavy-duty construction can make it a bit bulky, especially if you're looking for a lighter tool for smaller jobs. Still, for large-scale projects that need precision and durability, this level stands out. It's built to last and withstand tough environments, providing reliability on every job site. For fast and efficient cutting, the Toughbuilt 24-in handsaw is hard to beat. With its high-carbon steel blade and electro-coating, it offers long-lasting sharpness and reduced friction. The triple-edged tooth design moves debris out of the way, while induction-hardened teeth stay sharp longer. The injection-molded handle provides a comfortable grip for control, and the integrated ruler and angle markings on the blade make for easy measurements. However, with heavy use, the blade might need sharpening sooner than expected, which could slow things down a bit. But overall, it's a well-designed saw that offers efficient cutting with a comfortable handle, making it a reliable tool for woodworkers and DIYers alike. Get a grip on your landscaping tasks with the comfortable and secure handle of the Toughbuilt Bow Rake. Its large, 16-inch forged steel head with 16 tines makes loosening soil and leveling gravel a breeze. The 60-inch composite handle has an ergonomic octagonal shape, which provides a solid grip and reduces hand fatigue. The aluminum alloy ferrule strengthens the connection between the head and handle, making it even more durable. While it's designed to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease, it may feel a bit too bulky for smaller, more detailed work. Still, for raking rough earth or leveling large areas, it provides the strength and leverage needed to get the job done with minimal effort. That wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found any of these tools interesting, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.